Now, A. An electric pump has 2 kilowatt power. So, power is taken as 2 kilowatt. In SI system, power is expressed in watts. So, we convert 2 kilowatt into watts. We multiply 2 with 1000. Time, every minute, that means 1 minute, and we know 1 minute is 60 seconds. The water is going to be pumped with the help of an electric pump, and it's going to be lifted to a height of 10 meters. So we have taken H as 10 meters. G is acceleration due to gravity, and it is a constant value. So G is equal to 9.8 meters per second square. All the units are under SI system. Now it is all the units are under SI system. We assume the mass of the water which is going to be lifted to a height of 10 meters as small letter m. We know the power equation. Power equation is equal to work done upon time. Since this time we are going to raise the water to a particular height, and height is there. So this height gives us the hint that the type of energy used is going to be potential energy. And what is potential energy? mgh. So the kind of work that will be done to lift the water to a height of 10 meters is going to be potential energy. So we write the mass as small letter m, g as 9.8, height as 10, and time is taken as 60 seconds. 1 minute. So we are going to take it as 60 seconds. Now how much is power? Power is 2000 is equal to m into 9.8 into 10 upon 60. So let us cancel the zeros. Therefore m is equal to 2000 into 6 upon 9.8. Now we will multiply with 10. So this will get adjusted. So this is 98. 2000 into 60. Actually there was no need to cancel. So we are coming back to the same thing now. So this is 2 into 1000, and this is 2 into 49. So we are left with 66 with how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4 upon 49 upon 49. So if you divide this 60,000 by 49, you get the answer as 1224.48. You get the answer as 122.48. And you have seen in the book the answer is not this. So how they are getting in the book? They are getting the answer as this much. Correct. This is kgs. Now how this has become 5? How this has become 5? Children, 4. The next number to 4 is 8. And this 8 is more than 5. This 8 is more than 5. So we are rounding 4 to 5. So we are rounding this 4 to 5. I hope this is clear. This 8 is more than 5. So the previous number 4, we are rounding it as 5. We are rounding it as 5. So we are not going to write this 8 in the next step. So we are getting the mass of the water as so much, 1224.5 kg. This 0.5 has come because of rounding the value. It is come because of rounding the value. Now the next sum here, power. We have an electric iron whose power is 1200 watts. Okay. Now they are asking us to calculate the electricity which is consumed. That is, they are asking us to calculate the energy. And for energy, you know children, we are not using watt, but we are using kilowatt. So what we will do is, we will divide this by 1000, so the answer will be expressed in kilowatt. We are going to write it this way. So it is going, we will cancel the two zeros, so it is 1.2 kilowatt. It is 1.2 kilowatt. And the time for which the electric iron is used every day, that is equal to 30 minutes. 30 minutes means we can say it is half an hour. 30 minutes means we can say it is half an hour. And the number of days in the month of April are 30. They are asking us to calculate the billing for the month of April, and April contains 30 days. So first we will find the energy for one day, and then we will multiply by 30. Now you know children, power equation is W by T, and this time the work done is in the form of energy. Since they are asking us to find electricity, you know electricity is a form of energy. So we will write P is equal to E by T. Therefore P into T is equal to E. And this equation we are going to make use of. Once again, the power equation is work done upon time. Since they are asking us to calculate electricity, electricity is a type of energy. So instead of writing W, we can change W as energy. And you know the units of energy and work done are the same. So P is equal to E by T. We have just cross multiplied P and T, that is equal to E. So the energy consumed for one day, that is capital E, is equal to P into T. And what is our power? Power we are getting as 1.2 kilowatts into half. This is the time, correct? Because we want to express the electrical energy in the terms of kilowatt hour. So this is 1.2 kilowatt and this is hour. So our answer is going to be as kilowatt hour. Our answer is going to come as kilowatt hour. Children, what is half of 1.2? Half of 1.2 is 0.6. Half of 1.2 is 0.6. So in one day, the energy consumed is 0.6 when you are using an electric iron of 1200 watts for half an hour every day. Okay, so the energy consumed for 30 days will be 30 multiplied by 0.6. So that will give you 1.8. That will give you 18 units.